Hey guys, it's Tracy. I am sharing another Dollar Tree project using one of those green styrofoam rings from the Dollar Tree, some burlap, some hydrangea flowers, and some a pink bouquet of flowers. The ribbon I'm going to use for the bow is the green and white is from Craft Outlet. The pink polka dot is from Walmart, and the burlap window paint is also from Craft Outlet. Using my hot glue, I just glue the burlap onto the green styrofoam ring, just twisting it around. I kind of put it at an angle just a bit so that it lays nicer. And then I just glue that off at the end. For the flowers, I'm using the hydrangea flowers found over at the Dollar Tree, and I used 4 bundles or bunches of the hydrangeas. I find that there are 5 hydrangea little flowers on a bunch, and so I used 4 of those bunches, and then I just made a little hole in the styrofoam and then put a dab of hot glue in there and put my flower in there so that it would hold nicely. And so I just alternated the hydrangeas, and then I put some of the pink flowers in there as well too. These wreaths that you can get, these little green styrofoam rings from the Dollar Tree, are the perfect size to hang on a mantle or a door or somewhere in your home that you don't have a lot of space, or that you want just a little bit of something. Just it's the perfect size to hang those little wreaths, and you can just make them any color you want. Now I'm going to make some little signs, and I'm using some Bic, I think they're Bic markers. And I have these plant stakes or plant poke little things. It's like where you can, you know, put the name of the flower or the plant on a, you know, and put in a little pot. But I like to use them for my wreaths. I like to write different sayings on them and decorate those up. So I'm going to do that now and insert those into my wreaths.